How to lock unlock iPhone without power button. So let's start. First, open settings, then scroll down. Here you can see display and brightness. Open this. Then here you can see raise to wake. Turn on this. Then go back. Open accessibility. Scroll down. Here you can see touch. Open this. Then scroll down. Here you can see tap to wake. Turn on this. Then scroll down. Here you can see back tab. Open this. Then double tap. Select command like lock screen. Select this. Then let's check this. Double tap. As you can see, phone will be locked. So phone successfully can lock and unlock without power button.